Hello and welcome to Honda Stockport. My name's Charlotte and today I'll be giving you a full video tour of this unique buy, Kia Picanto, that we do currently have in our stock. It is a 2016 edition and does come in a stunning white exterior, and with your 1.25 petrol engine it is ideal as that nippy city runaround. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please give us a call on 0161 825 0235. So starting at the front, you do have your very stylish LED detailing headlights to provide full illumination ahead. They do also sit on these 15-inch alloys, which are followed by your electronically adjustable and heated door mirrors, which do also house your indicators in there. Due to the heated function, this will allow for a quicker set-off, especially in the winter months. And if we take a close look inside the rear interior, it is a full cloth finish, so very comfortable for all travelling passengers. You do have a small storage pockets on both sides there as well. And as it is a 2016 edition, it has covered 10,182 miles. Round to your rear, you do also have your rear parking sensors, giving you plenty of help when backing up. You do have a small space in your boot area, ideal for all your day-to-day items, along with a fitted parcel shelf just above there. If we move along into your front interior features now, you will find your multifunctional contrasting steering wheel just alongside your central touch display screen and below climate dials. This is an automatic transmission as well, so for a much smoother drive, and of course your two front seats are again full cloth with a heated function as well. So that does conclude our full 360 walk around. So if we take a seat in the front, I will show you all the top key technology features. If we start just to your right hand side of your driver's door, you will find all four of your electronic window controls, along with your central lock-in and outer wing mirror adjustments. On the right hand side of your steering wheel, you will find your controls to navigate around your cockpit screen and display your vital car information. You do also have all your vital audio options to your left, including your option to answer incoming phone calls. So you can display an array of car functions on your screen in the centre there, including your mileage and fuel consumption. And if we move across into the centre, you do have your touchscreen display with your built-in satellite navigation, handy as it does come installed with your traffic updates and points of interest. You do also have plenty of audio options on here, including all your radio stations from your FM and AM. If you do wish to connect via Bluetooth, you can do so in a click of a button. This will also give you access to all your vital car apps, and if you do pop the car into reverse, this will activate your rear parking camera, giving you plenty of help when backing in those tighter spaces. And if we move it just below, you will find your central climate dials to alternate your temperature and direction flow. This does include a front and rear heated windscreen option, ideal in those winter months. And as we move just below, you will find several power outlets along with two handy cup holders, followed by your automatic gear controls and a manual parking brake. You do also have your two front heated seat options as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 0161 825 0235, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button just below.